To ensure your GWSMART07 is performing at its best with the widest vehicle coverage possible, regular software updates are a must. Let's connect to Wi-Fi and walk through the update process on this 7-inch professional tablet. Whenever there is an upgrade available, you can see the prompt. Just click Update. On the top right corner of the screen, you can notice the update area. And these are for the diagnosis vehicle codes, like Chrysler, Fiat, Lancia, Cadillac. We can upgrade them one by one or directly press Update All. And we can also update by searching. Like here, by searching Ford, there are 4 options: USA Ford, Immobilizer Ford, Europe Ford, and Australia Ford. You can update whatever you want. By tapping each selection, you can notice the brief introduction of the upgrade. If you do not update the software, you will see arrows in the top right corner of each selection. If you encounter a situation where you are unable to diagnose a vehicle, it may be because your vehicle software package is out of date. For this demonstration, let's update all. Whenever there's not a Wi-Fi connection, you can just select the update you want. When there's very good network connected, you can update all. The update is complete. Your GWSMART07 is now loaded with the latest software, giving you access to the newest makes, models, and diagnostic capabilities. You are ready to tackle the next job with maximum confidence.